We've been seeing the Sofia Richie lazy girl bun all over the internet lately, so let's recreate it sustainably. First, brush your dry, preferably dirty hair before going in with something to help define your part. I'm using an old paintbrush because I'm being sustainable. Define your part whether it's down the middle or off to the side, whatever you're comfortable with, making sure that it's very straight. Next, go in with a few pumps of our deep conditioner. Work this through your hair, really making sure to lay down that part before soaking it into your ends. Next, we're going to take our hair repair, which by the way comes in a much bigger bottle, and spray for some extra hydration. Follow that up by getting rid of any remaining knots or tangles. Next, you're going to section off a piece of your hair towards the front of your face and secure it with a clip. Make sure to do the same to the other side. Now you're going to start making your bun, so brush your hair up to where you want your bun to sit on the back of your head. Then secure it with a ponytail so it looks something like this. Next, you're going to unclip that front piece and brush it back so that it meets your existing ponytail, and secure that with another hair tie. Do the same to the other side, brushing it back to meet your existing ponytails and secure with another hair tie. Give your hair a twist and secure it into a bun. If you have any remaining pieces, just use our styling gel to flatten those down. And that's it, the lazy girl bun sustainably.